Hi there. Now I am going to show you how you can remove your picture background as transparent from Figma. Okay. So first of all, you have to drag your image in Figma. So let me do it. Okay. I just add my image on Figma. So just a minute. Okay. This is my picture. I want to remove the background. Okay. Okay, so now from this image I want to remove the background as transparent. So first of all you have to click on the right button. Okay, and then you have to click plugin. After that you have to click find more plugin. Before I use this feature, that's why you can see recent my plugin remove busy. So first time you have to search your plugin from here. Okay, so if you write remove, then you will find this plugin from here. Okay, so you have to click on it, then you have to click run. Okay, so now you have to set your API key from the plugin. Okay, so if I show you how you can do it, so just click on right button, then plugin, and then remove busy. After that you have to set your API key from remove busy. Okay, so first of all you have to create an free account on remove busy, then you have to click on this link, and then you can create a API key on your free account. Just click on it, and okay, you have to create the API from here. Okay, so this is my API, so copy and paste it here, then save. Okay, after that this picture background will be removed as transparent. Just click on it, right button, plugin, and remove busy, then run. Now we can see our picture background is already removed as transparent. So now we can download the image from here, export. Okay, then click on it, it will be downloaded. Okay, I hope now you can transparent your picture background using Figma. Thank you.